There is something timeless about a bowl of beef and barley soup. Hearty, rich, and deeply satisfying. Hello guys and welcome to Lounging with Lenny. My name is Lenny. In this video episode I'll show you how to make easy and absolutely delicious beef and barley soup. So stay tuned and make sure to watch the video to the end. And as always, enjoy it. First, let's prep all the ingredients. Get one onion and dice it into medium size. This beef and barley soup is one of the old world comfort foods that still holds up in modern kitchens. Simple, hearty, and timeless. So next time when you're craving for something cozy, remember, you're not just making a soup, you are stirring up a little culinary history. 2 stalks of celery. Dice the celery medium. Beef and barley soup is rustic, rich, and ridiculously satisfying. Whether you're feeding a crowd or stocking up your fridge for the week, this soup got your back. Nice and large carrot for the color and the flavor. Cut the carrot into medium size as well. This dish has been warming bellies for centuries. But did you know that it's not just comfort food, it's an ancient comfort food. Barley is one of the oldest cultivated grains in the world, and it dates back to over 10,000 years. Early civilizations used it for everything from porridge to beer. And yeah, you do make beer from barley. Get 3 plum tomatoes, cut them in half, remove the core and dice it medium. Even in ancient Greeks and Romans were huge fans of barley. In fact, Roman gladiators were called Hearty, meaning barley men, because barley was considered strength food. This soup has been long a staple in Northern and Eastern Europe, where hearty meals were a must in cold climates. In the British Isles, a similar soup was called Scotch broth, often made with lamb and root vegetables, and of course barley. I got large piece of beef chuck from the local butcher shop, but I will use only 2 pounds of it. And the bones that I got here as well. Cut the beef into 1.5 inches cubes. If you enjoyed this recipe, definitely give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more food recipes with a little history on a side, and let me know your favorite comfort soup in the comment box down below. And now let's start browning the meat. Preheat the pot to medium-high heat, pour some vegetable oil, and sear the beef by batches until golden brown in color. And please do not skip this step. That's not just for the looks, it's called the Maillard reaction. A fancy name for that tip, caramelized flavor we all love. After beef is well seared, remove it into the sheet pan. Into the same pot, add some more vegetable oil and sear the vegetables. First add onions, then celery and carrot, and sear it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Squeeze 3 garlic cloves in. Sear it for a couple minutes and add half a cup of dry red wine. If you want to, you can definitely skip this step with the wine. Let it evaporate and add the tomatoes. Mix it. Add 2 bay leaves, couple strings of fresh thyme, and transfer the meat in, but make sure to transfer it with accumulated juices. Mix it all together well. Season it with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Pour 6 cups of beef stock. Mix it. Close it with a lid and cook it for 50 minutes on a low heat. After 50 minutes passed, add 1 cup of washed barley and let it cook for additional 50 minutes. As the barley cooks, it soaks up all the flavor from the beef and broth, transforming it into thick, stick-to-your-ribs kind of soup. After second 15 minutes done, remove the thyme and bay leaves. And I almost forgot to remove the bones, so make sure to remove it. Take 1/4 of a bunch of fresh parsley and chop it fine. Add parsley into the pot. Mix it, and my beef and barley soup is ready. Serve it. Decorate it with some more parsley and enjoy. I'm done making this beautiful hearty beef and barley soup. Time to try it. Oh my god. Tastes outstanding. Beef is nice and tender, barley cooked perfectly, the soup by itself is very rich and meaty, and this is a beautiful and delicious hearty beef and barley soup that you need to make today.